How to fix Roblox can't login or Roblox login error. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, check username and password. Make sure there are no typos. Ensure caps lock is off. Try typing your credentials in notes, then copy paste them into Roblox. Once you do so, simply tap on the forgot password or username and you can also reset your password. And if it's still not working, then simply go back to the home screen and this time tap on the settings app available there. Once inside the settings app, all you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on the general button available in there. Then, once you tap on the general, you will get to see iPhone storage option available. Simply tap on it. Inside iPhone storage, from the list of the apps, scroll down and look for the Roblox and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the Roblox, you will get to see the offload app button available in your screen. And all you have to do is offload the app and reinstall it to your device. Now, once you have completed this process, all you have to do is go back to your home screen and this time look for the App Store and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the App Store, in the search address bar, type down Roblox and hit enter. Then, if you see update icon available right next to it, update it to the latest version. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.